17 astonishing geographical facts that will amaze you. 1. Netherlands below sea level. About 1/3 of the Netherlands is below sea level, with its lowest point sitting 22 feet, 6.7 meters under the sea. This makes the country extremely vulnerable to flooding. 2. Sahara Desert expands. The Sahara Desert grows about 30 miles, 48 kilometers, wider every year. It's almost as large as the continental United States, making it one of the biggest deserts in the world. 3. Russia's time zones. The world has 24 time zones, but Russia spans 11 of them. This means that different parts of Russia have very different local times, making it the most divided country by time zones. 4. Mount Everest's growth. Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world, grows about 4 millimeters each year. This is because the tectonic plates pushing India into Asia make the mountain rise slowly. 5. Russia versus Pluto. Russia's land area is larger than Pluto's. Russia covers about 17.1 million square kilometers, while Pluto is about 16.7 million square kilometers in size. 6. Antarctica's dryness. Antarctica is the driest place on Earth. Even though it's covered in ice, it has only a tiny amount of liquid water, making it extremely arid. 7. Australia's size. Australia is wider than the moon. From east to west, Australia stretches nearly 4,000 kilometers, while the moon's diameter is 3,474 kilometers. 8. Greenland's size. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Despite its vast size, it has a very small population, with only around 56,000 people living there. 9. Mount Thor's drop. On Baffin Island, Canada, Mount Thor has the world's greatest vertical drop, measuring 1,250 meters, 4,101 feet, at an average angle of 105 degrees. It's a challenging climb for even the most experienced mountaineers. 10. Lake Baikal's depth. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest lake in the world. It reaches a depth of 1,642 meters, 5,387 feet, and holds about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. 11. Lake Hillier's pink water. Lake Hillier in Australia is known for its bright pink water. The unusual color is due to specific algae and bacteria living in the lake. 12. Mount Roraima's borders. Mount Roraima in South America marks the point where Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana meet. Its flat top and steep cliffs make it look like a floating island in the sky. 13. Town of Hell. In Norway, there's a town called Hell that freezes over every winter. Despite its ominous name, it experiences very cold temperatures. 14. Gates of Hell. The Gates of Hell is a natural gas field in Turkmenistan that has been burning continuously since 1971. The flames create a stunning, fiery spectacle, especially at night. 15. Vatican City's size. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, located within Rome, Italy. It's so tiny that you can walk across it in just 20 minutes. 16. Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway stretches almost across the entire continent of Asia, covering over 9,289 kilometers, 5,772 miles, from Moscow to Vladivostok. 17. Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is an area in the Pacific Ocean basin known for its high number of earthquakes and volcanoes. About 90% of the world's earthquakes and 75% of its volcanoes are found here.